Am I back online? Am I back online? All right, I think we're good now. Yeah, I was saying, man. So a lot of people ask me why did I end the stream so early on Friday? What happened? Um, and the answer was simple. We had something like 60 something people streaming, and only 14 have liked the stream. And I kept on asking you guys, like the stream, like the stream. I went as far as going on Lwazi and to try to get a signal for you guys. And I kept on asking you questions. What should I scan? And most of you were quiet. So I was like, I'm not benefiting anything coming on the stream. I mean, I'm only doing this so that we can form a powerful community and we engage. But if there are no engagements, I'm the one talking alone. What's the use? I can simply do that. You know, I can just trade alone. So I decided to end the stream and just rush straight to the office and go trade on my own. I got 2 signals from Lwazi that most of you were not even interested. I got a signal on gold. I got a signal on German. I can't remember what else we had here. So I gave you guys a signal on Wednesday for GU. We got this via Lwazi, right? So if you were streaming with us on Wednesday, you got this trade from Lwazi. Lwazi said we must sell GU, and then we sold it and we hit TP at $1.33. That was a beautiful trade right there. Now on Friday, Lwazi said I must sell at 5,100. What's funny is that it's the same level I was looking at when I was streaming with you guys on Friday. So this was a trade from Lwazi, already by TP right now. I'll be honest with you, I closed my trade just around 6 p.m. on Friday. I was like 95% to TP, so I shut it because I didn't want to hold over the weekend. Another signal we got from Lwazi is German 40. There it is. Again, I closed my trade around 6 p.m. at around this level here. I closed it. So all these trades are coming from the AI. They are not my trades. Someone sent me a text privately, and this is what the text says. I'm going to read it for you guys. Good evening, Mr. President. I trust you are well. Quick question. I took 2 trades on Friday. NAS 100, EU short, which are both still open. Would you recommend I close them to avoid open session false move tomorrow morning? Both I got them from Lwazi, currently running in profits. Yeah, so there is a decision that I have to make, especially this coming week, with regards to this AI system, because I'm looking at the response to how, as a business, how we are doing and stuff like that. So there's a major decision that I'm going to make this week. I'll be honest with you. There's a high possibility that we're going to stop providing this technology to everybody. There's a high possibility that we're going to stop doing that. Because, and I'll mention, we're going to start with prayer now. The reason why we might stop giving this technology to everybody is we changing how we do things. So I was having a conversation with the team on Friday. So I was like, guys, tell me, performance wise, you have got access to Lwazi. Yes, you got Market Scanner, you've got him to speak to, you've got InTrade Companion. How is it going? And I looked at the performance, and I know this might be too soon. It might be too soon. So I was like, how is your trading performance? And these guys were showing me their books, and I'm like, that's ridiculous, man. why then should we take the budget for marketing to give this AI to the people? Why don't we take that budget? Because when I started this AI suite, I had a budget. You know, like any other company, when it starts, it has a budget. So I was saying to the guys, listen, think about it. Instead of taking our budget for marketing to market the product so that we can give it to people, why don't we take that money and buy prop firm challenges? Let's buy at least 25, if not 50 prop firm challenges, and then we just plug them to the AI. Then we forget about having clients. Like, this is where I am. I had the whole weekend to think about it, that why should I? Yes, I wanted to give it to the community. I know that, but I also want to make money. I'm in the business of making money. So why can't I just buy prop firm challenges and just trade them with the scanner? I mean, what will stop me from waking up in the morning? Let me show you something. Let me just show you something. And I hope you guys understand where I'm coming with this. Let me just show you guys something. I mean, what will stop me from waking up in the morning and just do this? Just click this, click that. Which one should I go for here? I've got 4 already. No, I don't want Nasdaq. I'm already out of Nasdaq position. We took TP there. Like, what will stop me from coming here and scan the market? I just want to show you something that what will stop me. I mean, I've already got a setup there. So if I've got like multiple prop firm challenges and I plug my challenges to the AI and I'm just running all my trades through this. Think about it. Think about it. No, like, on a serious note, like, think about it. The community will still continue. We will not stop trading live. We will not stop giving you guys education, but maybe we might stop giving you guys the AI suite. Maybe. It's something we look into because I'm running a business as well. Think about it. Market's Voice say you might kill your brand. I disagree with you. I started this brand without the AI. Trade with MJ is not an AI business. This AI business, I only introduced it like 3 weeks ago. You know? So, live stream will be there. Our private Telegram group will be there. Nothing will change. It's just we're going to say, hey, for now, we just want this AI just to make us money quickly as a company first. Charity begins at home, you know? I mean, we've tested this so many times, and I've been telling you guys from December, I'm launching, then I stopped and I postponed because I really wanted good results. We had to run this AI on multiple accounts and until I was happy. I mean, we had 5 accounts that we were running the AI on. It was not performing well in December. Then January again, we funded some accounts and we ran the AI again. I was pretty much happy with the performance, but I told the guys, hey, we need to improve on 1, 2, 3, and we did. And right now, this thing is performing like crazy, you know? Because sometimes you guys don't understand the work that we put behind closed doors to provide this content for you. It's a lot, you know? It's really a lot. So it's something that I'm really thinking about. I'll be honest with you guys. Like, I'm really being honest with you guys. My president, nothing is stopping you, but if you did, you would be doing what every other mentor would or is currently doing. Maybe we pray about it while we think, oh, yeah, indeed, I agree with you. Something to really think about, pray about. But the clients that we already have, obviously, they won't be affected. The guys that are already using the suite won't be affected. We will be blocking way for new guys. But this is not something that can happen overnight. Obviously, maybe I will just need to think about it. And yeah. But with that being said, let's start our work with prayer. Let's bow our heads. Father, in Jesus' name, Lord, thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you for honoring us with this gift, with this talent, with this mentality, with this knowledge to come and explore these markets, to do whatever we feel is right, whatever we feel is good for us, for our families, for our kids, to feed our families. We are doing this not because we are chasing cloud, but we are doing this because this is what put bread on our table, and we appreciate you for the strength that you're giving us day in, day out. Even sometimes when we don't have strength, we know that we can rely on your inner strength, Lord. In the name of Jesus, as we pray for the new week, be a God that will open doors for us. Give us the ability, the strength to see these markets beyond what we see with our carnal eyes. Let our spiritual eyes also be much open. And we are asking this all in the unmatched name of Jesus Christ. And may the chopper say amen and amen. Okay, so just a quick one. Let's review the week, the last week. I'm gonna get the gentleman's name here. I hope he's watching. He came to the office on Friday. I'm gonna try to get his name here. We are going to start now, guys. Today's session won't take long, so do not despair. So this is something actually. So I scanned this on Friday, and I was having a client at the office. I want to give him a call now while I'm here.
Mr. President, I'm watching.
Are you watching? Listen.
I'm watching. I still can't retrieve the comment section. I don't understand what's happening.
Yeah, maybe you need to come out and come back on again. Hey, you remember the scan that we did when you came to the office on Friday, on gold, 5,100?
Yeah.
Did you see where it is now?
So I was even laughing alone. I was like, yeah.
This is ridiculously accurate, man. Like, I'm telling the guys now that, hey, man, this thing, I might stop giving it on public. And I'm not bluffing. Like, I'm just thinking
I'm telling you.
How about...
you see what I just told you? You see? I told you.
So I had so you remember the trades we had there? We had gold. We also had German 40. So we had gold sell.
Yeah.
We had German 40 sell. And look at, so German 40 sold from 23,600, now trading at 23,300. That's like a $300 move
Yes.
from where it was, and
Yeah, it's ridiculously accurate. I'm telling
this
you.
thing is crazy, man. Like, and I know, like, I might sound like just those mentors that would want to brag about things, and so that people can we low people. But like, you know, when you have built a system and you're like, Lord, what is happening here? Like, this thing, man, is just too accurate.
I'm telling you. This thing is very accurate and it's powerful, so to say. It's very powerful.
So
it's very powerful.
I'm encouraging people as well. I mean, we say, come to the office. You don't have to pay a cent. Come, you can have a session. Yes. Have a session with me. I can show you how this thing works, and you know, we can discuss psychology. And I told you when you left the office that, man, listen, you don't need me anymore. Once you access this thing, you're done.
I'm done.
Yeah. But hey, man, what can we say? Let me do some work here. I'll catch you soon, my brother.
No problem. Communicate. No
all right. Sure.
Thanks for the call. Yes.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye. So you understand, like, so this gentleman, I was with him at the office when I scanned, and I was not really looking for a trade. I was just showing him. It was just a product knowledge thing. Like, I was just showing him how to scan, how you enter positions, you place your stop loss, and those kind of things. But the way I have so much confidence in this thing, I decided, no, as much as this thing was for demonstration purpose, I'm going to enter it. And I executed this sell on a gold. Okay, fine. So enough with that. Took TP there on gold. Like I said, I took TP. I closed all my positions around 6 p.m. because I didn't want to hold the trade overnight. Okay. So this is what's going to happen now. We are now almost at our key level here. And a lot of people are asking themselves, hey, is this still a safe haven asset? What's happening with the war? Is it safe to buy it? Gold? Is it safe to sell it? So in my opinion, it's only a matter of time we see a break below this key level. But this is how I'm going to take it. If I'm going to take a sell here, I need a retest. But again, sucker trade. Don't sell it there. Don't sell it here. Let me start off this thing quickly. Okay. So, break retest. Ne? Don't sell it here. I've been saying this even last week. I told you on the US 30, I told you on German, I told you on GU. I told you don't buy GU, sucker trade. You'll be trapped. Okay, so I'm telling you again, if gold breaks to the downside, you are not selling here. Okay, you're going to wait for this. Then you can get another drop. Only if we break to the downside. Okay, for those of you that are looking for buy orders, this is what you need to do. Wait to break above that 5,100 holds a very significant pressure there. Why? Because we've been playing around this 5,000. The AI gave us this sell at 5,100. Okay, so with that being said, we break to the upside. Only we can look for trades to go to the upside. Okay, so that's how I see gold. Silver. So silver, I'm still sitting on the same analysis. This was Friday's analysis. I said we break, retest, and we drop to the downside. Okay, so I drew this for you guys while we were on the stream on Friday. I said from here I'm expecting a drop. Silver, I think, was playing around this area here, and I said I'm expecting a drop. So I'm not changing things here. We still keep it the way it is. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, so the AI has been suggesting some sells on euro dollar. So far, when I look on the signal that is given me now, there's no EU, though I had ticked on it. There's nothing there. But let me tell you this without a doubt. Okay, don't say I didn't tell you. As much as there is a downward pressure happening here, the dollar being strong as it is, don't sell here, buy here. Buy here. Okay, so this is something that we can look into. Okay, don't say I didn't tell you. I want you to record this. That's how confident I am, and I'm not trying to be cocky or anything, but I've seen this happen all the time. Don't think you can sell this thing here. Just one sec. Okay, don't sell here. It's a sucker trade. You're gonna be trapped. So wait for it to come here. Wait for indecision candlestick and go to the upside. It's easy as that. GU. While you're watching, guys, please do me a favor. Can you please make sure that you like the stream? Okay, so GU, we hit our TP again. I'm not gonna take credit here. Lazi is the one who gave us this setup, if you could remember. I'm gonna try to put it for you guys on screen. This was never my setup. Let me try to have it for you on screen. I hope this thing will allow me. Please, please, please allow me. Please, please allow me. Let me see. Oh, yes, there it is. Okay. I'm not sure what you see there. Okay, so this is a trade that we got from Lazi. This is the GU trade that we got from Lazi, right? This was Wednesday. Okay, so we did exactly how he said we must do it. And then we hit our TP there. Okay, so let me go back to chart. So we hit our TP here at this low. One thing that I also appreciate about Lwazi is that, hey, he taught me patience, man. Like, I never had patience. You know, I'm a day trader, and I've been looking for a way to expand my portfolio beyond just doing day trading and then holding long positions on futures and holding long positions on crypto and commodities. So I never had patience when it comes to indices and currency pairs. Like, you know me, I don't wait. But this thing is just gave me another life I never thought I had, where I can hold like FX pairs. Like, I never thought I could say this with my mouth. I held this for like 1 day and a half. We hit TP early in the early hours of Friday. So how are we going to position ourselves? Again, if GU breaks to the downside, when you come here, don't sell here, rather buy. Okay, so you can bank something like 60 pips or so to the upside. Okay. AUD USD. So this was my analysis for Friday. As you see, clearly failed, didn't hold that position, but we had a sell that came from the AI. So this is the sell that we had from the AI. I'm gonna try to put it on screen as well. There is AUD USD sell at 70.9 or something there. So the AI said we must sell here. It's no, entry is 71311. 71311, 71311. There. The AI said we must sell here. There you go. Smash TP nicely. We also had it on Nasdaq. Said we must Sell Nasdaq at 24874. Okay, so for Nasdaq is still there. Okay, so please mark this price. You can write it down. So the AI said we must sell Nasdaq at 24874. We'll have a look at it now. And then on AUD USD, it says we must sell at 71311. Okay, so 71311, there it is. Sell here and then go down. Nicely so. I thought maybe at our fib we can get a nice retest there and go to the upside. As you see, clearly failed. Okay, so how are we going to be positioning ourselves here? We've got a key level here. Same thing. Spoke about this level. If you could remember again, remember what I said to you guys again on Wednesday. I said we missed this, by the way. I said don't buy here and think we're going to make a new low. Again, sucker trade. Look at what happened. A lot of retail traders are saying, oh, no, we're going to the upside. This is an upward trend. Let me just buy. Retail traders are buying here. They're buying here. They're reloading again. And then they want to make a new high. That did not happen. As I said, let's look for sell order positions. And then we go down. We wanted to get a position in 15 minutes, if we could remember. But clearly we did not. Let me do this. Let me put back my chart correctly. Okay, so what can we do again here? If the market comes here, buy it. Okay, we will make other decisions once we have bought here. Once we've had our TP here, then we can make other decisions. So for now, we're not going to stress about that. We're really not going to stress about ourselves with that. Okay. That's AUD USD. So let's have a look at Nasdaq. Remember the price I spoke about, 24874. There it is. You could have sold here if you accessed the AI by that time. There's a sell here. Could have hit your TP. I told you I did not take this ones because I was still committed on that GU trade. Okay. So now it's a new week. Let's see what is happening this week. This is how we can look at NAS 100. So if NAS breaks below, once it does a retest, don't sell here. Don't do it. We buy. Okay. Only if we break to the downside, we buy. So you wait for indecision candlestick here, an indecisive one, and you can take your buy here. Okay. And I'm not going to explain myself again when everybody's going to ask, well, Mr. President, you are buying when it's a downward trend. I'm not going to talk about it anymore. Okay, so on Friday, my take was sell here. This was Friday. I said sell here and then go down. Unfortunately, we didn't get that. Price decided to sell at 47,800 instead of 48,000. So we cool with that. It's already gone. If you took it though, well done to you. So the same thing, I'm seeing it happen here. If we break, retest, then we can go up. That's US 30. German 40. Okay, so German 40, this was a sell from the AI. AI gave us this sell. Like I said, I took my TP at around 23,700. And then I'm going to see how we open tomorrow. Same thing. Okay. Same thing. If you are waiting for the market to reach here, I don't think it's something we can see anytime now. So if it breaks, when we get a retest, then from there, maybe we can say, can have another sell there. Or even the market can possibly maybe sell from here. So the analogy behind this is, okay, so your TP will never be at your next resistance, remember, or your next support. So the analogy here is retail traders commit too early, they get stopped out, and that's where we have our entry, then we go down with it. Okay, so that's German 40. USD ZAR. USD ZAR is moving smooth. I made a withdrawal on Friday. This was good. I felt good about this withdrawal because we almost at that 17 rand. So how I see this thing is, I think we're going to have a lot of people committed here. I think we're going to break the 17 rand mark this week. That's how I'm seeing it. I think that 17 rand mark this week, we're going to break it on USD ZAR. All right, Brent crude oil. Okay, so Brent crude oil. This is our old analysis. We've been trying to catch this thing, man, and it's not really coming. Now, I want to show you guys something. I really want to show you. Please allow me to have a clean chart on this. Okay. I want to show you guys something. Can you see this chart? So as an analyst, my job is to study what fundamentals are telling me, right? But I told you last time that I am not an analyst that focuses too much on fundamentals. I respect so much technical abilities of traders that come and look at technicals and make decisions from there. Yes, fundamentally, one can say, yeah, Mr. President, the war is still happening. There's a lot of bombing happening in Strait of Hormuz. A lot of things are happening. Investors are looking to invest, and obviously that is going to cause oil prices to go high. But let me tell you this. You're not the only one who's thinking like that. So I want you to see this. Okay. Now have a look at this. This here, I'm going to take this and put it next to gold. I've seen this story before. And I want you guys to be careful. You really need to be careful. If you're going to buy Brent crude or WTI this week, just be careful of something. Now look at this. Yes, we have all-time highs here. Which happened in 2022. Okay. Now, this is a monthly candle. Okay. One can say, are we going back to that $130 per barrel there on Brent crude? Now look at this. I just want you to be careful of something. I've seen this movie before, where people, because of geopolitical tensions, the war that is going on, safe haven asset, oil prices, obviously, fundamentally oil prices should rise. Okay, but have a look at this. Isn't it what we said? Isn't this what we are saying now about WTI or Brent crude? What happened with gold? Look at this. Look at this with gold. I want to show you something with gold. That's why I say pay attention to this. It might help you. Now, pay attention to gold. We had all-time highs, right? Now, there's war happening. Safe haven asset. Fundamentals, yes, they're all showing us one thing. Okay? All-time highs. On gold, 5,500. And then gold started dropping and rising again. Okay, so it dropped sharply, right? And then started rising again. And then what do you think a lot of traders did? A lot of traders and a lot of investors, I can tell you without a doubt, this is what they did. They started buying again. Hey, we need this to be a safe haven asset. We are going up again, maybe to that all-time highs. Okay? Can you see? Now, you tell me, isn't this the same story? Isn't this the same story on Brent crude? Look at that. It dropped sharply. Look at this sharp drop. Same thing as gold. There. Sharp drop. Then everybody's thinking we are going back to that all-time highs. And then we didn't. So even with Brent crude, just be careful by having your buy orders there. Okay? I'll show you something with crypto as well. Show you something with crypto. Look at this. Look at this with crypto. So we had all-time highs. Then we have a sharp drop from nowhere. And then what happens? People are start buying again. Let's buy again. Why? Because we're going to make a new high. And look at what happened. Dropped once again. So that's the same thing. Where you have all-time highs and now, and fundamentally, and obviously this doesn't happen all the time. Fundamentally, it will make sense. Fundamentally, yes, it will make sense. Okay? So even with Brent crude, just be careful when you're taking your positions there on Brent crude. Okay, so have a look at USD Japanese. Okay, so my analysis on Japanese on Wednesday was let price at least come at this low. I think this was Friday, and then buy it. We didn't get that. Oh, by the way, let me mention this trade. So we got a trade from the AI as well. This was Wednesday or Tuesday. Unfortunately, we hit our stop loss on this. So the AI doesn't win all the time. I've been telling you guys that, and I'm sure you are aware. Okay, so here, what is it that we're going to look at? If the market breaks to the upside and retest, don't buy there, sell here. Okay, sell there. Sell here. You can bang around 66 pips or 70 pips. EJ. This is for last week Sunday. I'm not going to go through that. We've already done that. Please allow me to have a clean chart here. Okay, so you wait for a break, sucker trade, let them trapped, and then this is what you do. Take your fee from this high to that low. There you go, you strike here. Okay, that's EJ. GJ. Guys, please like the stream while you're watching. I hate it when it does this. Okay, so GJ, I said sell here if you get an opportunity. Unfortunately, the market just decided to. What did I say about this? I said don't buy here. A lot of people are going to buy, they don't. Okay. So this is for last week Sunday. This analysis for last week Sunday, it went accordingly. So now it's a new week. Broke this level here. So what we can potentially see here on 1 hour, you wait for a break, retest. There you go. Then you're going to go to the downside, take your fee from this high to that low. There you go. Then you go to the downside. That's GJ. Okay, Bitcoin still buy above 72,000 and buy above 100,000. That will not change. We're still going with it. Okay. That will not change. Actually, I feel like tomorrow is late, man. These markets, I wish they can open now. If these markets could open now, I promise you I'll be wide awake and just trading. Tomorrow is too far. Sibongiseni is saying, what about creating an affiliate link followers so that we can also promote your business? I hear you, but I think for me, more than anything, my friend, I think for me, more than anything is, you guys don't understand how I'm obsessed with the charts. Yeah, you can buy it, you can buy credits, but for me, man, like, you don't understand how I'm obsessed with the charts, like, how this thing has changed my life. And it's very difficult to convince my mind that there will be like something I can do currently now that can surpass or convince me to do it, and like while I do the chart, so the chart will always be a primary objective, you know. But come on, guys, think about it. Think about it. So, if let's say the company has a budget for marketing and it has a system that is ridiculously accurate like this, why don't we buy challenges? Think about it, guys. You would do the same if you were in my shoes. And by the way, there is a promotion that is running. To access this AI suite, you need $50 in your Octa account. There's a sale that is going on now. Minimum deposit $25, but it's ending on Tuesday, which is the 17th of March. So you can take advantage of that. Mark is saying, Mr. President, wait a bit, I'm buying the AI suite now. You can buy. You can buy. You can buy. You can always buy. USD CAD. Hey, what's going on here? Why is this thing not showing you? Oh, there it is. So USD CAD. So this is a typical playbook of counter. I drew this to my group the other day. Entry is here. And then this is a trap zone where break retest, they sell. And then you find your entry there and you go to the upside. I was sending this to the group. Muchaba is saying, does the private group still exist? Yeah, the private group is still there. The private group is still there. So if you cannot afford to get the AI, but I mean, now with this special, you get access to the private group and get access to the AI. The private group is still there, my friend. 99 members. Who's going to be number 100? The private group is still there, up and running. Still there, up and running. Okay? So this week, if you fund, let's say today or tomorrow, you will have access to the private group and access to the AI suite. So one can ask, what is the AI suite? These are 3 AIs that we use in-house. All of them, minimum deposit $25. If you say, Mr. President, I don't like that broker, Octa, I want to do it privately, you can get it, but it's going to cost you $99 per month. Okay. The offer, broker funded, just $25. This is a special that is going. Complete AI suite, Teach Me AI, MJ Edge, Market Scanner, available for 3 days only. This exclusive price expires soon. So you've got 2 days, 4 hours, 3 minutes, and 36 seconds to go on the site and access this. Okay, so you can check it out. Go to www.tradewithmj.co.za. Please make sure that you use this promo code MJ Royale. Okay, make sure that you use the promo code MJ Royale. And do I have people that have entered the Octa's trading competition? There's an Octa trading competition, guys. Go enter it and win yourself a PlayStation 5. Why are you saying I will make 100 today, Mr. President? I hear you, my friend. So, by the way, guys, if you don't have that $100 a month, that's like $1,600 a month. Okay, why don't you choose the other package, which is this one here? This one, broker funded. So for now, only limited to 20 people. I think we already have 11 people have signed up over the weekend. So we are left with 9 spots for the broker funded special. So normally you need to fund with $50 with Octa, but now it's a special that is running until Tuesday. You can fund with minimum deposit of $25. So you can hurry up. Okay. So one can say, what is the difference between the one of $99? So if you choose the one of funding with $50, you can't say you bought. You are not buying. You're just utilizing this advantage of signing up with our broker sponsor. You are not buying. In other words, the broker is buying on your behalf. So it works with credit system. So you're gonna be given credits that you work with the whole month. And then this one for $99, same thing, but here you have unlimited credit. So you can talk to Lazier every second. So can you see if I come on Market Scanner, you'll see it's gonna show there I've got 34 credits. I'm left with 34 credits on the top there. Okay. Muraka is saying I'm buying AI month end. Which one? The broker funded or the subscription based one? Which one, my friend? Someone asked me for NZD, USD. Me, I'm promising you guys, I'm thinking of just buying crazy amount of prop firms and just run them with Lazi. I promise you. That's what I'm thinking. Alright, AU, NZD. We can have our overall movement like so. Okay. So for those of you that say, Mr. President, we want to join that private group and the AI, please do so. Now you can send me a text. Like I said, I've got only 9 spots left. Okay. And then some of you have been buying credits over the weekend. So if you are on our side, your credits are finished, you can always buy credits. There's one for $20, one for $10. Once you click on it, it will take you to our payment gateway, and you can always buy there. Okay, so for those of you that have been buying credits over the weekend, the credits should be allocated to you anytime from now. Okay. So folks, if there's nothing on your side or from your side, let it be a good evening to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I've just dropped my number there if you want to join our private group and also access the AI suite. Use that Octa link there to sign up, or you can go to www.tradewithmj.co.za and you can always text me once you are done. Okay, so I'll see you guys during the course of the week. Putty saying I did purchase the discount 25 going forward. I'm trying to log in the suite and it directs me to my Octa platform. How do I? Okay, so Mr. Putty, please let me know, when did you buy the credits? Please let me know when did you do your deposit? Text me now, please text me now. I'll attend to you immediately. Guys, this is also something I want to share with you guys. If you have been given access to the suite, right, to the AI suite, don't go back and try to log in. Okay, what you can do, you can go to your browser. Can you see what I do? I go to my browser. I go, let's say, on my browser, and I hope it's showing. Is it showing? I don't think it is. Let me see if I move it down here. Okay, so go to browser and just say ai.tradewithmj.co.za. Okay, so you don't need to log in again. You can just say ai.trade on your browser. ai.tradewithmj.co.za. That's it. So that you avoid putting your password and all of that. Just do that. That's what I normally do. I don't have to put in the password. So as long as the back office is giving you access, you just go to your browser, type AI. By the way, there will be a meeting tomorrow. We are meeting tomorrow. We need to really expect emails also from us. The guys that are on the AI suite, the guys that already have the AI suite, tomorrow at 7 p.m. we are having a webinar where we're going to be showing you exactly how this thing works, so that if you have questions as well, you can always ask questions. Okay, so tomorrow 7 p.m. only to the people that have access to the AI suite. So Mr. Puti, please make sure that you text me right away. I'm going to connect you to someone that can assist you, and our system is also available 24 hours. So if you're having queries, you can always go on the site, then you're going to get help. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys during the course of the week. Have a great evening. Cheers.